Hi, I'm Whitney Holmes, and today we're going to be going over a fifth grade science lesson that I think will be very fun for students, particularly at the end of the school year when we have a little bit of free time so that we can spend a little bit more time with these fun projects. Today we're going to be doing the foil boat challenge, and this challenge is going to be a group project that has children. The children will be using foil and tape to build a boat, and then they're going to take either pennies or specific units of rice, a certain measurement of rice, to measure how much that boat is going to hold. And they will be competing with their classmates to see whose boat can hold the most pennies. What I do like about this is that it can be this project can be condensed down to one day, or it can be spread out over several days if a teacher so chooses, if they have the time and the energy to deal with that. Okay, so one of the things that the kids will be engaged because they are actively building, they're testing out their models of their boats, they're retrying different things, they're seeing, getting to some of those concepts that we're going to be introducing in sixth grade, such as like the why can bigger boats with bigger surface area carry more weight? Of course, we all know that is because of water displacement and buoyancy and all of those fun concepts. So as far as how that's going to be challenging students, the children, one of the things that is included in this unit is a vocabulary worksheet that can be used as a warm-up when students come in on the first day. That's just to jog their memory about all the things that they learned previously about floating and not floating and relative density and all of those fun things that they already learned, and bringing those concepts back. And now we're going to build on top of that. We're not really going super in depth with that. We're just doing some surface level teaching and letting them come to their own conclusions, such as they eventually figure out that if they have a bigger surface area on the bottom of their boat, in other words, if it's more of a cone shape versus a flat, or if it's a really wide flat surface, it's going to hold more pennies. And when they get to sixth grade, they can explore more in depth on why scientifically that is. We're just going to say, oh yeah, well, it has more surface area, and therefore it's going to do that.